somebody up there. This is pretty nice. You gonna try it?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Whoa. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. There. Can you get a video of this?
I got it in my hat.
Oh, okay. I'll see your left. Is it either anchors to your left, or do you need to go right?
No, it's like all flat and sloped to the left.
I mean, your foot was pretty good going up a little more to the right if you need to.
There's not a damn thing for feet right there.
Now your closest thing will be right there, right there. Nothing. Is that good enough?
No, that's like the lump on the side of my big toe.
Very good. Foot right here, maybe? Right here? How's this work? Bring your foot over to the right. Will this work over here?
Oh, that looks so promising right there.
Yes, that'll reach out.
Just a bad angle trying to get to it.
If you want to go down there, there's a bit of foothold. If your feet can reach further. Okay, alright. I think you're good. Come on, Bill. How you gonna get down?
Come on, nigga. I don't see a way to get much higher than that spot right there.
If you get on top of it, you can probably get on top of the rock.
How would I get down from the top of the rock, though?
Same way you got up there. Backwards.
Should have said what I said and said, climb, nigga.
Huh?
Should have just copied me and said, climb, nigga.
Oh. Precarious positioning.
I want up on top of that one so bad, but I don't know where to go after.
You go. Are there good handholds right there? Up into the left.
To the left?
Did you get up there?
Where?
See? Like right above me. I don't know where it kind of jumps out and gets kind of like right above me. See those handholds right here? Those three that stick up in the wall? Right above me. Right
Yeah.
there. Did you grab those?
Oh.
Go on. Move your left hand right up, straight up. Straight up. No, to your right a little bit. To its right. Oh, there's good.
Yeah.
And then your feet.
Forearms are starting to wear out though.
Yeah, you've been up there a minute. Take some pressure off. See if you can just get somewhere you can stand on the rest. Shake them out if you need to, I guess.
The best bet's up that side on that one ledge. Well, I just learned something.
What?
Your grip power can be greatly diminished from where your feet are. Like right there, that's perfect grip. With just thumb and forefinger, index finger.
Use your right hand down to the thing right there, yeah. There's a really good foothold down to your left a little bit. Right, you got it, you got it. Make it up safely. I feel like if you could get up there, you could get down.
Oh.
There, Bill.
Ooh.
How much forearm?
Yeah, I'm getting down and wearing out.
Yeah. Good fine.
Oh, God.
Okay. Walk over to your left so long as it's past you. Okay.
Oh.
I'll just jump back and be okay if you need to.
Yeah. Oh.